Yeah, this is Kampung Tandus Street down there. Wow, quite busy. Lots of tourists around here. Wow, busy everywhere. This looks so busy, isn't it? Wow.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Yeah, this is Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the station at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street and Raya Legian Street. And our journey today start from Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the station right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the station at the moment in Legian Bali. And our journey today start from Raya Legian Street. So let's see together how busy Legian Bali today. Yeah, right side in the restaurant, few trees down there. And also they are doing shopping there. They're just really good. Also left side. Left side, few trees down there. Also on the right side. Yeah, if I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Kampung Tandus Street. And I already made my video down there. Few days ago was very quiet. Yeah, this is Kampung Tandus Street down there. Yeah, in this area also a few tourists they are walk around on the footpath, and also a few tourists they are going by motorbike transport or Gojek and Grab bike. Yeah, right side, left side, few tourists in the restaurant. Wow. It is quite more busy, isn't it? You can see right side. Yeah, just really good. And about the weather today, it's not so blue sky but not rain, just nice also because it's not so hot. Yeah, right side, beautiful down there. That's really good. And Raya Legian Street also very famous for shopping area, because in this area there is a lot of art shop. See right side, so many tourists down there. That's good. Busy, isn't it? Also in supermarket, Bintang supermarket. Let's see together how busy down there today. See that? Wow, quite busy. Lots of tourists around here. They're just really good. Also left side. Okay guys, let's keep continue driving on Raya Legian Street. Yeah, so far in the video we already see there is a lot of tourists in this area. Left side, also trees down there. That's good. Everywhere. Sun Island in Legian Bali. And also on the right side, a lot of tourists down there. That's good. The heaven. Wow, busy everywhere. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment on Raya Legian Street. So what do you think? Busy, isn't it? It's just really good. Now I will continue driving on Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Street and also Raya Legian Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Wow, quite busy. That's good. Okay guys, I hope this video will give you an information about the update station at the moment in Legian Bali. And make sure watch the video until the end if you want to know how the station at the moment and around ground zero, the heart of Raya Legian Street. Right side, also left side. Yeah, people down there, they are doing shopping. That's good. Quite busy, isn't it? Left side. Yeah, you see that? Busy, 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 busy. Yeah, so many tourists, they are doing shopping in this area. They just really good. And also at the front there is brunch club, also very famous. Look at that. That is Q and it's brunch club. This looks so busy, isn't it? Wow, they will having lunch down there. Okay guys, let's keep continue driving on Raya Legian Street and let's see together how busy in this area today. Yeah, actually I'm gonna say like it's quite a long time I don't update the station at the moment on Raya Legian Street. It's already 1 week. More than 1 week ago I make video down there by walking. Yeah, but today I just make video with the motor vlog. Yeah, left side and right side. Also picture it down there. That's good. See that? Cycle truck, cycle beer. I don't know how to say. Ooh. Yeah, the sky is not so blue, but it's not rain. The one thing is good. Right side the restaurant, also a few trees down there. They're just really good. If I turn right, there's two ways to go to Raya, Padma Street, and I already made video down there by walking few days ago. Was really busy down there. See right side, beauty down there. Yeah, at the front will be ceremony soon in this area. The ceremony is coming soon in Legian Bali. And now Balinese is preparing before they're starting to the ceremony. See that? Yeah. Right side, also featured down there. Quite busy. That's good. right side, people doing shopping there. Okay, actually at the front there is also Raya Legian Street, but this is one way, so I have to like make U-turn to keep continue driving to update the situation at the moment on Raya Legian Street. Yeah, left side, U-turn down there, quite busy, just good. This is shortcut. I have to take this way because I will keep update Legian area. I try to make video without skip video. I skip continue video until the end on Raya Legian Street. Oh, but I think will be traffic jam down there today. We hope not really, because when I make video with traffic jam, it's quite hard. Finally, that's good. Not really traffic jam in this area. Okay, let's coming back to Raya Legian Street. This is Raya Legian Street. Okay, let's see together how busy in this area today. Yeah, right side, few trees down there. Oh, quite busy. A lot of trees around here. They're just really good. Also left side, Kuta Paradiso, Legian Paradiso. Right side and left side, few trees down there. They're just really good. You see that? Getting more busier, isn't it? Step by step, Kuta Bali and Legian area also getting more busier. Left side, a lot of trees down there. Right side, Mama's restaurant, the German restaurant, and recommended. Wow, quite busy there too. That's good. In the restaurant, also a lot of trees down there. They are having lunch. I make this video on 1 p.m. So it's like lunchtime. G'day, mate. G'day, mate. G'day, how are you, mate? Very good, eh? Legian Club. Yeah, busy at the night time in this area. See that? Right side? A lot of tourists. They are walk around on the footpath. They just really good. And now we are closer to the ground zero area. Also tourists here. In the restaurant, this is local restaurant, also recommended. Left side, the one Legian. Not so busy down there. Left side, few trees down there. Walk around on the footpath. They're just really good. Actually, I'm gonna say like it is more busier compared with a few weeks ago. We can see more trees walk around on the footpath, even not really really busy as before the pandemic, but just recovery step by step. And the restaurant also situated down there. That's good. Yeah, now we are at ground zero area. Right side, Indian people. Yeah, for sure in this area, busy at the night time, will be so loud music because a lot of nightclub in this area. Ground zero, not really busy. Right side, Poppies Rancho Street. Right side, theater down there, Indian people. कुछ को होता है. And actually I already made video at Poppies 1 Street by walking a few days ago, so you can find video down this video. See that? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian area on Raya Legian Street and Raya Seminya Street. So what do you think? Yeah, just good, isn't it? Getting more busier. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Kuta Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, this is Bemo Corner, the Legian area in Kuta Bali. And left side, Bemo Cafe, Bemo Corner Cafe.